Welcome to this explainer. Today we're decoding a genuinely fascinating 30-day case study of a creator who generated over $5,000 using 3 totally distinct AI side hustles. And here's the kicker, they did it with a starting budget of exactly $0. If you've ever found yourself wondering if it's actually possible to build a profitable income stream from scratch using artificial intelligence, well, you are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down the exact data, the specific tools and the strategies used in this experiment so you can see exactly how the mechanics of this success actually work.
But first, let's just be completely real for a second and acknowledge the elephant in the room. Most people fail at side hustles. We have all seen those exaggerated claims online, right? The fake gurus promising you can start with nothing and supposedly make millions overnight. It's exhausting, and frankly, it leads to a ton of burnout, which is exactly what makes this journey from $0 to over $5,000 so incredibly compelling. It isn't some pie-in-the-sky fantasy. It's grounded in reality, carefully tracked, and built entirely on sweat equity and free tools rather than relying on some massive advertising budget.
So here's our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover the challenge rules. Second, Hustle 1, Faceless YouTube. Third, Hustle 2, TikTok Shop. Fourth, Hustle 3, Notion templates. Then, we'll compare the results head-to-head. And finally, wrap up with the 3-step blueprint.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, the challenge rules. We need to establish the baseline. To make absolutely sure this experiment was accessible to anyone watching, the creator laid down some incredibly strict parameters right out of the gate. The foundation was simple. Use only free AI tools, spend exactly $0, and meticulously track every single minute and dollar without relying on paid ads or fancy equipment. The goal here? Completely remove the standard excuses. You didn't need a $1,000 camera, you definitely didn't need a budget to run Facebook ads, and you didn't need to hire a whole team. Literally, all you needed was a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn how to effectively prompt AI tools.
Now, what's really interesting here is how the creator allocated their time. They dedicated 50% of their time solely to content creation, but they split the remaining half equally. 25% researching what actually works, and 25% promoting the final product. Look, so many beginners spend 90% of their time creating and then just hear crickets because they totally skipped the upfront research to see if an audience even existed, or they neglected the promotion. This balanced 25-50-25 split was absolutely crucial to getting maximum leverage out of that tight 30-day window.
Moving right along to Section 2, Hustle number 1, Faceless YouTube in the AI money niche.
So, why choose this specific niche? Well, it all comes down to the math. Finance and AI content earns drastically more per 1,000 views compared to standard entertainment content for the exact same amount of work. On YouTube, this metric is called your RPM, or revenue per mil. If you make a funny gaming video, advertisers might only pay $2 to $4 for every 1,000 viewers. But if you make a video about finance, business, or AI tools, advertisers are happily paying between $12 and $22 per 1,000 views. That is essentially a 5x multiplier on your income just for hitting publish on a different topic. So how did they pull it off? By stacking completely free tools. They used ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and InVideo AI to produce 8 full videos in just 20 hours, keeping the cost per video essentially non-existent. The workflow is actually brilliant. You just ask ChatGPT to outline and write an engaging script based on the popular topics you researched. You feed that text straight into ElevenLabs to generate a highly realistic human-sounding voiceover. Then you drop that audio file into InVideo AI, which automatically pulls relevant stock footage and creates the entire visual assembly. Over 4 weeks, they easily published 2 videos a week using this system.
Okay, drumroll please. $47. I know. Despite generating 12,000 views, they hadn't reached the 1,000 subscribers needed for YouTube AdSense yet, so this $47 represents their modest, slow-burn affiliate earnings from Hustle 1. It is so important to set realistic expectations here. YouTube is notoriously a long game. The views were actually solid, but the immediate cash payout was low because of those platform monetization thresholds. But hey, those videos stay up forever. They act like digital real estate that can just continue to compound and earn over time.
Let's pivot to Section 3, Hustle number 2, TikTok Shop, the viral affiliate. For the second experiment, the creator shifted to TikTok Shop, posting 1 unboxing video per day in the AI productivity tools niche. And they relied heavily on this exact hook, delivered right in the first 2 seconds, to capture attention and drive high commission sales. You see, on short-form platforms, the algorithm heavily rewards retention. If people scroll past your video in the first 3 seconds, it is dead in the water.
This specific hook works like magic because it instantly identifies a major pain point, wasting time with manual work, and immediately offers a curiosity-inducing solution.
The results from this one? Absolutely explosive. A single 22-second product demo garnered 1.4 million views and 164 sales, generating over $4,000 in revenue in just 30 days. This is the raw power of viral commerce. Because TikTok Shop lets users buy the product natively without ever leaving the app, the friction to purchase is practically zero. And because they were promoting software and high-margin AI tools, the affiliate commissions ranged from 5% all the way up to 30% per sale. Think about that. One 22-second video earned more in a single month than many part-time jobs.
Next up, Section 4, Hustle Number 3, Notion Templates, Selling Digital Products.
For this final hustle, the creator pivoted entirely to digital products. By using ChatGPT to speed up the design process by 10x, they spent a total of just 8 hours building a comprehensive Notion template pack for content creators. Notion is a wildly popular workspace app, but let's be honest, setting up complex systems in it can be super daunting for beginners. The creators spotted this gap. They used AI to brainstorm exactly what a creator would need: a content calendar, project tracker, idea bank, and then used AI prompts to generate all the complex formulas and views. They bundled the whole shebang into a sleek, ready-to-use product that people could buy and download instantly.
Because digital products have these unbelievable margins, where you create the thing once and sell it forever, those 45 sales resulted in $1,215 of revenue. That breaks down to an incredibly efficient return of $152 per hour of work. Just think about that for a second. Unlike a physical product where you have shipping costs, manufacturing headaches, and inventory limits, a digital file costs absolutely nothing to duplicate. Whether you sell 1 copy or 10,000 copies, your fulfillment cost remains exactly zero.
All right, with the 30-day challenge complete, let's jump into Section 5, Comparing the Results. Time for some data-driven conclusions. Looking at this data head-to-head is super revealing. While TikTok Shop clearly brought in the most sheer revenue, Notion templates are actually crowned the ultimate winner for beginners. Why? Because they yielded the highest hourly return and the most passive income. TikTok Shop was an absolute cash cow, making over $4 grand, but it demanded 30 hours of work and a relentless daily posting schedule. If you stop posting, the views stop and the sales dry up. YouTube took 20 hours for a measly $47. Though again, that might pay off down the road. But the Notion templates? Just 8 hours of upfront work yielded over $1,200. It's the classic textbook example of working smarter, not harder.
So how can you actually do this yourself? Let's break it down in Section 6, the 3-step blueprint, replicating the system.
The exact system here relies heavily on focus and consistency. Step 1, do not try all 3 of these at once. Step 2, commit to a strict posting schedule for a month. And Step 3, double down on your winners while outsourcing the tasks you hate. It is so incredibly tempting to watch an explainer like this and decide to launch a YouTube channel, a TikTok shop, and a digital product business all on the exact same weekend. Please don't do that. It's a guaranteed recipe for failure. Pick the one that aligns best with your current skills. Give it 30 days of undivided attention.
The core message from the source material is that a partially perfect project launched today always beats a perfect project launched never. We all suffer from analysis paralysis, right? We want the logo to be perfect or the lighting to be just right, but the hard data from this case study proves that rapid execution using free AI tools is more than enough to get the engine running. So the only question left is which path you will choose to begin. Ultimately, the most important takeaway from this entire case study is that execution is literally everything. You now have the blueprint, you've seen the raw data, and you understand the free tools that are waiting at your disposal. So start today, because your future self is watching. What are you going to build?